Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix verification required error in App Store in Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad, you're facing this type of error that whenever you try to use your App Store and installing or updating any app, you see a pop-up error with this verification required. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to try to go back and you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then you have to go to settings app. Go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you have to just make sure that VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. Then go to data LAN section and enable this toggle to set your data name automatically. Then go to language region, select region, and select your own country region in which you're living. Then go back. I also recommend you have to try to check for software update. If you find any kind of pending software update here, just try to update your software. So after updating your software, you just have to go back and here you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Not to do that, you have to quickly personalize the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to open your app store and then tap on your Apple ID or the profile option in the top right. Now here just tap on your Apple ID and you just have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Then select the country region option from here, and you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. So you have to make sure that the country region is selected is not incorrect, or you have to select your own country region, or you can also try to select the country or region which you have just selected with your iPhone setting. Then select that, select the continue option, then tap on agree in the top right. And now in this section, you just have to add your payment method. If you don't have any payment method, just select none option here. You have to enter your billing address. So basically, the issue was happening due to incorrect informations in your billing address. So you just have to try to enter the exact billing address you have, then enter your phone number, your name, and then tap on done option here. So yeah, just have to enter your street, which is required. These two are optional, so you can skip them. Then you have to enter your postcode, or if you can't, if you don't know about this, you can try to search with Google to get your postcode. Then select your town, your country, and here you just have to have the done option in the top right, and your billing address will be updated on your iPhone or your Apple ID, so you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.